Hey guys, it's John here with your Claims Minute. I want to talk about what to do when you've been in an auto accident. First and foremost, make sure that you're safe and that you're okay. If you need emergency medical care, please make sure to call 911 and get that taken care of first and foremost. For our accidents that do not require emergency medical care, we do want to notify the police. Whether it's in a parking lot, whether it's in an alleyway, whether it's in a highway or a roadway, call the police. There may be a situation where they say that they can't respond because it's private property, but make them make that call. What we want to be able to collect from when the police come out is we want to get the other party's information. We want to know their name, their address, how to contact them, and their insurance company. You will also be providing that information. Then, after that information's been collected, and assuming that you're okay, please give us a call here at the agency so we can walk you through what the best next steps will be. I know when these things happen, your adrenaline starts going, but if you can follow these simple steps, you'll help empower us to be able to get you the best settlement for your claims. Thanks, guys.
Bailey Family Insurance, we have plans for you.